Good afternoon, everyone, respected faculty members and fellow students. You don't have to be great to start, but start to be great. Welcome to the entrepreneurial session organized by TEC. What we have here is a structured and zealous aspiring entrepreneurs aiming to take down the world and achieve the impossible. Or rather, I should say, I am possible. So first of all, let's begin with the beginning, college. For us, college started a month and a half back. New environment, new people, student politics, societies, so much to dazzle our lives. Classical controlled environment of school was gone. Full freedom was given in our hands. And there's a challenge lies, freedom. For each and every student, college is a launch pad. The rocket will be launched for each and every one of us. And here, with freedom matters. We are free to choose our own direction. Just like a rocket, we can move sideways, parallel to earth, acute, obtuse, or blow up. The direction will be based on a calibration and settings prior to setting. So my fellow students, calibrate yourself. Everyone is born with equal brain, intelligent capabilities. Some of us become businessmen, achiever, personalities, while some choose the opposite path. The difference again lies in the calibration. A launch pad is given to each and every one of us at some point of time. The price settings of an individual gives his launch a direction. So, let's decide something today, right here, right now. Let's calibrate ourselves in such manner that we have the perfect launch. Let's understand our passions, do our waking nocturnals, wake up and reach for the stars. Now, in our path to bright future, we will face predicaments. Big, small, little, family, societal, educational. Let's visualize the situation in this manner. Everyone is on a board. There is big, small, board is on the ocean. There is a big, small, flat, steep waves in the ocean. The wave symbolizes a problem, while the board is made up of values, virtues, hard work. Problems, the waves, in different forms, intensity, are unruly. Like no one controls these waves, your problems cannot be controlled. So, what should we do to face these problems? The answer is your board. As said earlier, the board is built on the foundation of your virtues. And during the waves, what you have to maintain is integrity. Integrity of a person, his thoughts, his constancy of waves is what makes a person fight these unruly waves. Be right-minded, firm-minded, and constant-minded in any situation, and then come big waves, small waves, or no waves. It's the integrity that will identify you and make your rocket reach for the stars. So, here I would like to conclude giving each one of you a rocket to find direction and a board which symbolizes your integrity and values which you have to keep close and tackle those unruly waves to become a successful entrepreneur.
We have with us some of the faculty members. We have with us Anurag sir, Geeta ma'am and Sonam ma'am. We'd like to present you with a token of our gratitude.
Thank you all of you.
We have sir, he will speak a few words.
My dear friends, we are late Geeta ma'am and Sona ma'am. See, when you start your life after the school, it is your duty to work hard on your all the skills. If you see, the life is about learning and having fun. But when you are having fun, it should not be only fun, and it should not be only learning. Because if it is only learning, after some time you will get bored. So that is why sometimes I call you Nalayaks. But sometimes I ask you problems also. Why I ask you a problem? Because if I will always scold you, you may not hesitate to come to me to ask you a problem. I call you Nalayak so that you should be in line and discipline. Same thing when you want to become an entrepreneur. It is also a process of achieving different things. Whenever you start anything, it will have failures. You must be prepared for those failures. Because in this world, you can never get something which is perfect. You will have to make them always. You will fail, then you will achieve also. So all your small success should become your joy. You should enjoy them. You should learn from them. And whenever you get failed, You should work hard and harder on that. So that next time you should not fail. Clear?
Wait. You just saw me take a Divyas iPad and pay it back. So now what is STEP?
So what is TEB? So TEB is the entrepreneurial board, TEB. So now what our main idea was that we had to make an organization which promotes ideas and is best emphasized with our logo. So that's ideas, and our motto is bridging ideas and reality. Because without ideas and without reality, you're not going to get anywhere in life. So now, who the hell are we? Because so we are dedicated to make your ideas into reality. We are trying to make a society that can bring your ideas into the world on a platform that can actually help you help the world. Now it's all about innovation and development. And we're not affiliated with FIC and MSOC, maybe well some of our members are, but that's a different thing altogether. Now the main question is, what does entrepreneurship mean? Because you guys won't know what the essence behind it is. It's a big word. Now, it means starting a business. So the entrepreneur is the one who starts a business in the simplest sense of the word. Now, anyone can be an entrepreneur. You don't need a degree. All you need is an idea and the right skills and ethics. It's like a recipe. So like this, you need leadership. You need teamwork. You need consumer understanding. You need to know what the consumer wants, and you need to focus and drive. Now these are some famous entrepreneurs, like hope you can guess who they are. Can someone tell me? Okay, forget that. Anyone can tell me who the other two are, please? What's his name? He's right, that's Verghese Kurian, and that's Elon Musk. He owns SpaceX. They're competing against NASA, and he owns Tesla Motors. The thing we're running after is, give us your ideas and we'll give you a platform behind it. We'll give you give us your ideas, we'll motivate you, we'll push your ideas, we'll get it done.
Every day we rain, I'll never be your mother's favorite. Your daddy can't even look me in the eye. Oh, if I was in the streets, I'd be doing the same thing. Said, there goes my little girl. Troublesome guy, but then it's afraid of something they can't understand. Oh, but it's all you don't change their minds. If we will try, I'll try, I'll try, I'll try. They could be broken pieces still on you, that will make you mine. There'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds, I could do the same if you walk away. Every day we rain, 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 Don't you say goodbye. Don't you say goodbye. I'll pick up these broken pieces till I'm leaving. That will make it right. 'Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. away. Every day we rain, 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 hey, hey, hey.